Are you wondering how to turn the Gmail interface black to activate the dark mode? Well, do not worry guys, because my name is David from Litex, and today I'll show you how to activate the dark mode on Gmail. As you can see, the theme is white, but do not worry, you can locate a gear icon on the upper right side of the screen. Let's click there, and now if we scroll just a little bit down, we can locate the themes here. We can press on view all, and you can choose one from here. As an example, let's go with this one, and the theme changed, and now I have that picture on my background. But if you scroll a little bit more down, you can locate a single color background, and here you can locate one which is black, and if we click on this and then save, you can see the Gmail interface is black. But let's see if that's saved. Actually, I will close that, and let's go again on our mail page. Okay, and now it should be black. Yes, it is. This theme will help you a lot with your eyes and is more eye friendly, and yeah, your eyes will not hurt from that white background. But that being said guys, I really hope I help you with this tutorial, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave any question down below in the comment section. And if this guide helped you, don't forget to thumbs up the like button. Have a nice day.